Hi everybody, I'm Blanca. For today's video, I'm gonna be organizing my super small pantry. I got a few things for my organizing beforehand. I've just been going off of Pinterest. This video is definitely inspired by Pinterest. I just want my pantry to look nice. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. And you could even see over here some of the stuff that I did get. Alright, so you ready? I just love this pantry sign that I found at Ross actually. Just a few weeks after we moved into this house, but this is my very small pantry. So let's show you what it looks like now beforehand, before we start doing anything. Super small and everything's kind of just thrown in there. There's no place where we keep like pasta or bread goes here. Everything's just on any shelf really. So we're gonna take care of that today. And hopefully it will look a lot better. So here's the before, and then hopefully the after is gonna look really great, where it will make you get inspired to do the same for yours, I hope. Okay, alright, so now that you know what it looks like, let me show you what I purchased for this. So you're gonna hear little bells because my dog's running around and I have cats, so they're running around too. I'll insert some pictures of where I'm inspired from, what pictures inspired me, and I obviously won't have the exact same materials, but it's something similar and I'm just making it my own, but taking it from an inspiration that I found on Pinterest. First, I'm gonna show you the stuff that I purchased before we go on. These are some of those, but I wanna show you the box. This I found at Costco for $19.99 and it's 4 glass mason jars, really big mason jars. So if you guys are interested in possibly doing a project like this, I'd recommend to always check Costco first, if you have a membership of course, and see what they offer, because something like this, I first went to TJ Maxx and something cute like this glassware, it was like $14.99 a piece. So this right here was $19.99 at Costco. Inside you have this really big one, this one, and this one. Super cute, and I'm going for that farmhouse look, so I feel like this fits with it. Next, I went to Walmart and I got some plasticware. These are super inexpensive and I wish it would have had a white lid, but this is all they had in the Main Stains brand, which is the Walmart version. This is one piece that I got. It's a bread keeper, and then I got this storage dispenser for cereal. My 1-year-old daughter does eat cereal as a snack and sometimes breakfast, but instead of keeping the boxes, a different type of cereal boxes, I'm just gonna put it in a dispenser like this one. And at least these will kind of match up there somewhere. And the last thing that I did get was these baskets. These I found at TJ Maxx and I bought 2 of these. And I'm just gonna put like random stuff in here that doesn't really have a spot, and hopefully it'll look good. And then that way I could just pull this basket out and get whatever I need. So this is all that I got, and hopefully it will make my pantry look great and not a big hot mess. So let's get started. So first, there's probably a lot of food in here that needs to be thrown out. So I'm gonna go through everything that we have here and put a keep pile and a throwaway pile and go from there. And then we're gonna organize it. So this is only 2.5 shelves down, not even done. And my entire kitchen table is full with everything that we've got in here. So I just need to figure out what the heck I'm doing, because this is a lot. This is a lot of food. I think I'm gonna start by putting stuff in jars from here and then start putting it back on the 2 empty shelves that I do have and go from there. Did not all fit, because I don't want to fill up another jar using just rice. I want it to kind of be diverse a little bit. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. Still gotta get through these guys, but since I can't fit all of the stuff in these containers, I'm gonna put it behind it And then hopefully it doesn't look too bad. So it'll just sit behind it. So it doesn't look too bad. You can't really see it unless you go under. Alright, so I'm down to this area right here, and I ran out of my containers, so I think I'm gonna have to get maybe 2 more baskets like these up here. But I'm onto my can stuff area, and it's a good thing I'm doing this because a lot of this stuff is expired and probably stuff we would have never even used. I'm thinking I bought it for a recipe that I was gonna make, and then I did it and I had some leftovers and it sits there. So I'm thinking even if you don't even buy a bunch of containers to put your stuff in to make it look pretty, you can always go through your pantry and just see what is expired and what isn't. What are you gonna eat and what aren't you gonna eat? Because there's a lot of stuff around me right now behind the camera that we're probably never even gonna touch. So a lot of this stuff is gonna be thrown out and it's such a waste. So I feel like this is gonna make me mindful of everything that I buy, so that I'm not wasting so much food. This will actually make me see everything I exactly have and, you know, eat it. Because there were some snacks in here thrown in the back for my daughter while she's teething. She's still teething, but I forgot that we had them there. Jared must have pushed them behind, and then we put stuff in the front, and then we forgot about it. Alright, so now I'm at the bottom part of the pantry, which is the floor, and we like to store water there. As you can see, we normally just throw in the packaging just the way it comes, like that, and then just take out water as we need it and keep the packaging. But I like to always remove the packaging and just store the water down there, and you grab and go. And it's not as hard as, you know, this is pulled open, but usually we just have a small hole enough, like big enough to get your hand through. You know, that'll slow you down, and I think it looks a lot neater and more organized when it doesn't have the packaging. So I'm gonna do that, get rid of all the packaging and organize this bottom part of it, and then I will be all done. And then I'm gonna show you all the waste, all the stuff I have to throw away. Okay, so this is the final outcome, for now at least. I feel like it's definitely a lot more organized. There's Zoe. I still want to get baskets for these 2 shelves. We have so much plastic stuff. Plastic cups. Look how many plastic cups. Anybody want any? And then the canned stuff. This is all that was good. Everything else was bad, so I'm throwing it away. And I am going to show you guys what it looks like, all the stuff that I am getting rid of. So once again, this is the final look. So to the stuff I'm getting rid of. I know it's crazy what you see here and then what's behind me. Everything's so pretty in there and organized, and over here it's just a mess. But this is all stuff that is expired and needs to be thrown out. That's just the packaging from the waters. Over there is a lot of packaging that I'm just getting rid of, and then stuff that's expired. This one's still good, but that's gonna go in the fridge. This is gonna go in the fridge. It's new stuff. Expired this month, and I don't think I'm gonna be using this. And then the only other thing that is good, these are gonna go in different areas because those are my baby stuff. But everything else is expired or packaging that needs to be thrown out. So when I just take a step back and look at everything, not everything has stuff in it, but it just makes me think about it a lot and be more mindful of all the stuff that I do buy to make sure that I don't waste food and money. So I feel like this is gonna make me more aware. Alright, well that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope I inspire somebody to go and clean and organize your pantry, or just go through your food to see what's good and what's not, and just be more mindful of the stuff you do buy. When you look at it, it's a lot. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or if it's helpful in any sort of way. It really means a lot to me, and I hope you'd consider subscribing if you have made it this far. I would love to have you guys join our little fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!